Alright guys, we have here Mazda Miata. Has some rust issues. Has some poop issues, right? Best part of this is that clicking sound. It's very weird. No check engine light. Very strange, guys. Let me know what you guys think. This is like sometimes there, sometimes disappears. Seems like metal. Yeah. Comment below, what do you guys think? Could be valves, or it could be something worse. Ha ha ha. I did have the oil really low when I had the car parked for 7 months, and then I started up. Then look at my oil, but then I noticed my oil was low, so then I put some more oil in it, and I think I put correct oil, but after that, this noise, it sounded less. It wasn't as bad. It sounded like a little bit, and then I drove it, and then it got super bad, like this. There's like a metal rod or something. Something is loose somewhere, but I'm not sure before taking this apart. Maybe I can do something outside of it. But see, like, here you go. It's like, it becomes worse and then goes away. It goes and it goes away. So it's very unusual. I never heard of that sound before. Help me out, guys. Mazda Miatas, people. Oh, there you go, it's gone. Look, the sound is gone. Now it's coming back. So it's like, it goes away and then comes back. Super annoying.